when it's in his mouth.
We'll make the hole for you.
It's a BB gun, double. Come on.
Hold it up, I'll put a hole in it for you. Go, buddy. It's got fucking YouTube written all over it.
Right with the porch crawler.
Go, go.
Just like the drive up, AJ?
Here's two.
That thing half full. Ooh, only 4 to go.
Go, JJ. Go, go, go.
Look at him. Come on. You know we're joking, eh?
Fuck that.
I'm kidding, we're kidding. I gotta fucking give you a double entendre here, right? I'm kidding, we're kidding.
That's the finale.
So if you go on YouTube on Homes,
Catch up, bitch. Catch up, bitch.
Do it right.
And make sure you take it all.
Double, I've known you for a while, dude. This is pretty impressive. Exactly. When do you get married, man?
That's right.
Say hi now, JJ. Okay. Hey,
Yeah, you're
that was 1
breather.
liter of beer. Very good, man.
Hey, we used to do that with Todd and Hurd.
Eh? What, fucking over like that?
Do the Molson one.
You done with that?
Yeah, now you gotta fuck this. Yeah, everybody did it, man. Everybody did it. Jason's got it on YouTube. It's alright.
You just don't want to go last, so you
Yeah,
better get in there
you're
before
good.
Bob
Jay,
comes
you're
in.
good. Jay,
You're
good. Come on. You're good.
Enjoy that one.
Enjoy this one.
Just open
Unless
it.
you enjoy
Enjoy
that.
it.
Enjoy it. Hey, Jay, the big secret is none of us have done it.
Yeah. No bitching, nothing. Boom. 3. There you go.
Who's gonna do them all too?
Hey, JJ!
Hey! See the shirt, bitch.
What's up, Johnson? Good to see you. And apparently you have a 1 liter stomach.
Good job, Double J.
With it water.